So we are getting ready to go into town on an island. What island are we at?
Key Largo.
Oh, well, that's a big town.
It's a big island.
Oh, it's a big island. Okay. Anyway, gonna try to find a mail receptacle place, someplace to drop mail. And they have a West Marine here. And I saw that they have a consignment shop for
Marine stuff.
Marine supplies. Yeah. So that should be exciting. Looking forward to seeing one of those.
We are gonna go check out John Pennycamp State Park. There's a canal that cuts through from where we're anchored on the Gulf side over to the Atlantic side where the park's at. So we're gonna go take a look, see what it's like. We've been enjoying the spot we have here in Key Largo. We're anchored in a good location and lots to explore by dinghy. We can also land our dinghy and walk to West Marine and various shops. So planned on staying longer, but Mother Nature, she comes in and says, nope, gotta move. So tomorrow, today's Thursday. Tomorrow they have 25-mile-an-hour winds gonna start kicking in and last for 2 days straight. It won't be till Sunday before the weather clears up, and it's gonna be coming from that direction. As you can see, that's a long way to anything, which means it's gonna get real choppy in here, and we don't want to be sitting here. So we're gonna move, and since temperatures are also going to drop down to in the 40s, yeah, I know, we're in Key Largo, temperatures in the 40s. What's up with that? I want to make sure we have enough fuel to run the generator to run heat all night long if we have to. I've got about a half a tank. Might last us. Just depends on how long we'd have to run the generator each night. So we're gonna run over and get fuel and then go find us a new anchorage that's a little more protected. Heard a song about a love that's gone wrong, 'cause I don't wanna cry all alone. Put that down. So this is the anchorage that we found last night to wait out the high winds that are coming. I think it's called Tarpon Lagoon. You can see that it's pretty much protected all the way around. It's just a small body of water, completely surrounded except for a canal in and a canal out. So should be pretty good protection. The winds are coming from over there, and once they get up to the 25 miles an hour, you can see it's a lot closer than where we were yesterday. We're a lot closer to the trees. That it's not going to give us a lot of wind protection, but it'll keep the waves from kicking up, which will make us much more comfortable. The boat can handle the wind. We just don't like to be going up and down, rocking back and forth in the chop. So we're close enough to the trees to where it shouldn't kick up any waves. So we should be all right. So if you remember a little while back, I was trying to troubleshoot our air conditioner that broke. Just quit working completely. Air conditioning, heat, even the fan won't come on. I found a wire that had, I don't know if it was the problem, but it was pretty frayed and it needed to be replaced. But to replace it, I needed one of those connectors where you can hook, you know, you got a tab and then you got a socket type thing that fits over the tab, slides over it to make the connection, but it does two socket ones to one tab, and West Marine didn't have them. So didn't know when we'd be able to work on the air conditioner further, and we went to this consignment shop for marine supplies, you know, one of those places that people get rid of stuff they don't want, and usually you can find good prices on them. And they had some bins of electrical components and just all kinds of stuff just thrown in there, little bitty things, you know, little wire connectors of all kinds. And so I went rummaging, and in the third one I went rummaging through, and I mean there was like hundreds and hundreds of connections in each bin. And the third bin I went into, I found the part I was looking for. They had just one of those connectors. That's all they had. So good deal. That was a lucky find. So I installed it, replaced that wire, and put it all back together. And unfortunately, it didn't fix the problem. So I've done some further troubleshooting, and I think the problem is the transformer. Luckily, I have a Flagship Marine air conditioner, and they have a cruiser's kit. It's like, I don't know, $100, and it buys every part that could go bad on a Flagship, every part you can fix anyway on their air conditioner. So luckily I have that transformer. So we're gonna pull the old one out, put the new one in, and let's hope that fixes it, because they're not easy to replace. That fixed it. We have air conditioning and heat. More importantly, it's going to be 48 tonight. That was the whole point. We have heat. Yay! Thanks for watching.